So what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today's in this video I'm planning to delete all the chrome on this car. I bought a bunch of stuff for this car. It's going to be a big project. The first mod I want to do on this car, delete all the chrome. This car has a chrome all around the car. As you can see, the grille's chrome, headlights, trim, even the door handles are chrome. I'm going to wrap all this trim. To be honest, I don't like the chrome on the cars. The only chrome I like, the wheels. I really like the chrome wheels, which is I'm gonna get it for my F30. Stay tuned for this one, guys. So let's take out this old trim and put a new one. There's a little tiny clip all around this trim. You just need to push the trim on the outside and it just come off. There you go. That chrome trim looks so horrible. Let's go to the other side and do the same process here. Just push the clips and it just come off right after. Woo! So here I got two glossy black headlight trim. I can't wait to install them. Oh my god, that looks so crazy. And now put the trim and all the clips, as you see in my hand, all the clips will go around and lock the trim. So let's put the clips around. I done one side and now let's change the other side. To be honest, it came up so nice. I really like it how it came. Let's do the same process here. So guys, I'm almost done and I can't wait to show you the final result. So in today's video, that's it. In next video, I'll do the grills. So stay tuned, guys. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. I will see you in next video. Drive safe.